This is the One X2 by Insta360. The versatility of this camera is mind-bending. It is small, it is light, it's tiny, you can bring it everywhere. And not only is it the best camera for this third-person look, no, what I find even more interesting is that you can make one video look so different. This is all the same clip, but the export settings are different. The sheer amount of possibilities, your head will literally explode if you get into this. It's a deep rabbit hole and I freaking love it. Got the new Insta360 drip. They kindly sent over a huge package, so let's check it out. Look at that. They came through with so much stuff. They sent the motorcycle mount bundle, 2 lens caps for the 2 cameras, also with 2 micro SD cards, 2 selfie sticks back here, the 120 centimeter ones, and the suction cup. Let's start small. Let's start with the lens cap. That's what's on the box. Right, quick incision right here. Lens cap, smooth touch, surface. And the second one, and also there is this little guide right there. Nice. Here we have the motorcycle mount bundle, top of the box, the sides, and that's the back. Another incision, motorcycle bundle. These are the contents. Quite a lot of stuff in there. So there we go. We have all sorts of parts for quick release action, the screws, and of course the adhesives that are required to stick it somewhere. We also have this piece right here. And then of course the main components, the clamp. That's feeling really sturdy. This is a rubber ball right here. And with this clamp right here, just like that. Super sturdy, and you can mount the camera right here. And there is also this metal part right here. This would work something like this. Fix this to something, snap it in place, and then this part on top. And there we have it, the second way to mount the camera. And you can also of course use it like that. So many possibilities. Here we have the suction cup, bottom, side, back, and this side. So this is not by Insta360. There is also this, a sticker, and this little guide, this, and there we go. Okay, another warning right here. These parts and the suction cup itself. Nice metal clamp. And as you can see, this is made for the accessories. Take this and this. Oh wow, that is so cool. Oh yeah, that's super sturdy. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Let's get to the camera. So as you can see, we also have 2 micro SD cards by Insta360. Let's go. And yeah, that's the box. From the side, other side, top, bottom, and the back. And that's what's in the box. Check this out. Let's get to the accessories first. Cable right here. USB-C of course. Then there is also this pouch. Nice. Sticker and the paperwork, and that's the quick start guide right here. I won't go through that. Check it out online if you're interested. And also there is a microfiber cloth. And now let's get to the camera. So check this out. What a beauty. Nice. There's the front side with the display. And this button right here. Oh, look at that, I just turned it on. This won't work without an SD card, alright. Oh no way, it's touch. Then here we have the power button and the speaker or whatever this is, microphone I guess. Then this side, there we have the doors. So this one for the battery. By the way, this is also where you insert the SD card. Right here. Clicks in place. Nice. And there we go. And this one for charging and data transfer. That's the back side right here. Top, this is a rubber surface, nice. And then on the bottom we have this threaded insert right here. And for carrying you can either use this pouch, it's probably the safest way, or you can use one of these lens caps. It's quicker. Definitely protect those lenses. Alright, and lastly we have the selfie stick. So check it out. Simple packaging. Oh. And this is it right here. Nice grip. Also threaded insert right here, and then up here the thread. So you can just pull it out like so. Pretty simple. And now check this out. With two you can actually do this. So this might be cheaper than the large one. This is working. Okay, well, never mind. I just tried it and I think you could bend them if you do this. So it's probably not a smart idea, so never mind. Done with the unboxing and let's get to my first impressions. So, whoa, here we go. So let's go through the camera setup first. So as you can see, you have 4 possibilities for swiping. So from top, you will get to this menu where you can adjust the brightness. You can lock the screen. You can turn on and off the sounds. I prefer them to be off. Then the quick capture. You can connect to headphones. You can choose audio settings, either wind reduction or the 360 focus, and basic settings. General USB mode and all that stuff. Auto power off. So let me adjust this to, let's say, 5 minutes. It's quite hard to dial this in properly, and here you can also calibrate the gyro. This menu is just so small. Voice control, SD card. So let's format the card. Also video encoding set. Then here you can choose the basic video settings. So shutter priority, isolated, manual. Let's keep it on auto. Then right here, that's the gallery where you can view your photos or videos. And from the bottom, you can choose between video, time-lapse and picture. And then here you can choose between action camera style basically and 360. There you can flip the screen. And down here you can choose the recording settings. That's the basic camera setup. And next up we will need the app, of course. There is no dedicated app for the X2. It's this one. That's the main app basically. One app for all the cameras. So let's get this app. Alright, let's go. Agree and give all the permissions. I do have one. And lastly, you need to turn on Bluetooth and the location. There we go. Okay. Camera found. Accept. Okay. Easy as that. Now it's also activated. For whatever reason, this won't work the first time, so let's turn it off, close the app and then restart it. Connect to the camera. And now when we click here, we will get a live preview. Check this out, this is so cool. That is so cool. Ah, that is the best. Here you can also control the settings. You can choose video, photo, HDR, night shot. Many possibilities right here. You can even go live. The settings that you can, well, alter or set are very limited in the app though. For example, you can turn on or off the sound, so you need to do this on the camera. Then here you also can create stories. You can check the gallery on the camera and you can explore, and this is amazing because there is an insane amount of things that you can do with this camera. The problem is that I only have Wi-Fi on this phone, no mobile data, so I can't access this stuff right now because I'm connected to the camera, not to the internet. I mean, check this out, there is so much stuff that you can do. So there is a lot to explore, but that's pretty much all there is to the setup. Not bad, right? And now finally, let's test it. From now on, everything is of course filmed with the One X2, and for the best quality I used the desktop application, of course. I exported everything in 4K. I've already filmed quite a few videos with it, and in this first demo, as you can see, I'm reviewing this bicycle and I'm using quite a few techniques. I'm mainly using it with the selfie stick to get this third-person video look, and I'm also using it as a post-production cameraman basically, also with different, well, view possibilities, but let's just watch. So as you saw, these were regular videos, some of them sped up, but now let's take a look at the time-lapse feature. So as you can see, these are time-lapse videos. In this case, I used it to surveillance and test a robot vacuum to find out how exactly it's working, if it's doing a great job, so on and so forth. And well, you won't miss a thing. This is so cool. And now let's get to my favorite part. I filmed my training and, well, I know the most practical and the most useful features are for sure the mentioned third-person video look, and when you just plant it somewhere and use it as a post-production cameraman. But if you're doing flips or something like that, parkour, action videos where you spin and flip and twist, this thing will give you perspectives that are mind-bending. This is so incredibly awesome. And thanks to the light selfie stick and the light camera, you can actually hold it in your hand while doing flips. And well, I've never seen videos like that. This is incredible. And especially with the post-production power that you get, you can do things that weren't possible before. And this also reminds me of FPV drone footage. Sadly, I can't try that, but drones also do flips and twists, and for that this would also be incredible, especially the quality that you get with this. Anyways, let's just watch and enjoy.
Hello, I do the video with the 360.
So as you saw, you can do so many things with this almost endless possibilities, and it is so much fun. Simple post-processing can be done over the app, but for this video I was mainly using the Insta360 Studio 2021 desktop application. It is an additional step in my editing workflow, but it is totally worth it. The results speak for themselves and I love what you can do with it. In this price range, the One X2 is definitely the best 360 camera that you can get. So check out the product links in the description if you're interested, and before you go, smash that like button and then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.